I'm at camp with my brother. He's the one in charge of all this. I'm a tourist. Don't know anything about camping really, except I don't like bugs. And what else? This is my tent, by the way. Check it out. Brother's tent. He's let me get the big tent. Bathroom's way over there, so you gotta go. Here he comes now. Pulling up with the firewood. He's in charge of running the camp. Got the classic dish soap in the container for sanitizing. This is the utility water, sprayer bottle, drinking water with ice in it. Paul, tell us what you just did.
Oh, I got me some firewood from the box down there. Paid $5, you get 10 pieces of wood. I picked up the ones with the least bark on them and the driest ones.
What kind of wood does this look like? This looks like ash. You smell it. So, all right, get this wood. I'm about to unload this wood. Paul, where do you know I put it?
Well, you want to put her like right next to this thing, but I was gotta get it started so we eat soon.
Okay, what's on the menu?
Steak.
Steak. So, just gonna sign off here, and Paul's gonna run the show. We can go to the neighborhood now. All right.
Tended on
Good stove topping too.